Welcome, welcome, welcome. Welcome to Island Girl Gardening. I'm your man. That's Island Girl over there. Today, we're going to be pulling up these sweet potatoes out of this garden. They've been in the ground a while, been a long while. We got a couple of vole problems that keep eating our potatoes up. So we put a couple of those little beeping things in the ground. Put one of these, let's see if I can find it. So I actually got two of them in here. We're actually gonna see if they've been working. It's supposed to keep the voles away. I hear it, but I can't find it. It's in here somewhere. It's in here somewhere. I gotta find it. I know there's two of them in here. Here's one right here. Here's one right here that we have planted. He's stuck it in the ground for the voles. And then we pulling them up. You see how it sounds? It goes every so many seconds. It beeps. It makes a little vibrating sound. That's supposed to keep the voles away. Well, we're gonna find out today. Well, that was that right there. So she's down here pulling them up. So we're gonna see what we got. So far we got this right here, purple. A couple of purples. Let's see what else she get down here. So we probably gonna snatch them up out the ground. Then we're gonna come back and show you what we got. So this is gonna be a little short video. We're not gonna stand here and record it. Got a lot of pulling and chucking and jiving to do.
Shucking and jiving.
So we'll be back in a little bit once you get some potatoes up. Give you an update in a couple of seconds. Alright, y'all, we're gonna finish pulling up these potatoes. See what we got here. We got two. Got two right there. Throw them over there in the pile.
You got one right there.
We got both red and purple. You saw a purple one. We got red in here too. So we can dig down in the dirt and see what we got. I got one. That's another one.
I think my side got all the 8 up ones. So another one. Lovely bowls.
So yeah, the voles, they still at it.
Another 8 up one. Yeah, still at it.
This one split. Guess it's less than the ground too long. Dig, dig, dig. Some nice soft soil. So here's one that's been ate up. So I'm guessing the Laveau. This Laveau contraption ain't work as they say it works. But we're gonna finish pulling them up. We can see what's happening with the rest of them.
So we finally finished harvesting the sweet potatoes, and this is our harvest for this year. Yes, the voles got to us again, and it seems like the purple potatoes don't grow real well over here. So we'll definitely be doing just the red ones next year. My husband has already, Mr. Up, has already installed our new screen to keep the varmints out next year. And we'll try again because love sweet potatoes. But there's our harvest. See the little red basket there. And that's our harvest of sweet potatoes this year. I'm not sad. I'm always thankful for whatever we get out of the garden. But I love sweet potatoes. And growing our own is so much fun. I also have bitter melon. I'm going to actually saute this up with some onion and just some oil and see what it tastes like. That's a little recipe that I, onion oil, onion oil, and I think it was like a little garlic powder. Yeah, so that's all that's going on today. We still have tomatoes growing in. Our peppers came in real late, so we got a lot of peppers coming in. I still have eggplant coming in. And that's pretty much about it. You know, waiting on our hibiscus to come to maturity. But a lot of tomatoes. And there's still a lot that are green. I'm just going to swing around because I'm using my husband's phone and I don't know how to use his phone to like flip the camera. So I'm probably doing a really, really bad job of this, but hopefully not too bad. But if you can see, hopefully you can see all of that. Let me see. Yeah. All of the tomatoes that are still pretty green. And we still have a bunch of tomatoes in there. So we'll see what happens with that also. But it's always wonderful, always wonderful. And then our Carolina Reapers are right here. So we have some Carolina Reapers coming in. That's about it. That's about all for today. But yeah, just wanted to show you our sweet potato harvest this year. So, you know, we'll try again next year, but we'll come with a different system next year. So until next time, keep growing your own and eating your own. So satisfying. Have a wonderful weekend, and we'll talk to you soon.